How to check locked profile on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Instagram, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on magnifying glass like option at the bottom and then click on search. Simply search the person you want to see profile of, and in here you'll be able to see only their profile picture if their account is locked. As you can see, I can see followers, following, and post, but I won't be able to see any post because there is locked. There is no simple option to simply look in this account if this is private. What you can do is follow this person. After this person accepts your follow request, you'll be able to see their profile. And this is how to check locked profile on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.